Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 7.2 question number 6. Complete complete the congruence statement. Here you see this is number 1. Number 1 is here in triangle BAC C and in triangle BAT in triangle BAT in triangle BAT it is given that and BT side BT is equal to this side BT is equal to BC. BT is equal to BC. It is given. Right? And AT is equal to AC. This is also given. AT is equal to AC is also given. AT equal to AC is given. And here you see this angle is 90 degree. Here is BAC. Right? I mean this is 90 degree, then this angle will also be 90 degree because these are angles on the straight line. Right? Or you can write here this is the AB. AB is equal to AB because this is common side. This is common side. Right? Therefore, this side is equal to this side is equal to this side, and AB is the common side. AB is equal to AB. Therefore, you can say that triangle BCA is congruent. Triangle BCA is congruent to triangle BCA is congruent to triangle BTA by side congruent rule. By side congruent rule. Congruence right. Now in this figure you see that in triangle P in triangle TPQ and in triangle QRS in triangle QRS in triangle TPQ and QRS. Here we are finding that PQ side is equal to this one. PQ side is equal to SR. This is given. And OT is equal to not OT, it is QT. QT is equal to QS. Q2 equal to QS. It is also given. Q2 QT is equal to QS, and Q2 QT is equal to QS, and PT is equal to QR. It is also given. Therefore, you can say that triangle QRS is congruent to triangle QRS is congruent to triangle TPQ. TPQ by side by side congruence rule. Congruence rule. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.